Hi, my name is Ryan and I'm a client advisor here with Gramophone. And today I'm here to talk about one product in particular, the Yamaha M-5000. Yamaha has solidified their place in the audio industry with over 130 years of experience. The M-5000 embodies this spirit with market-leading innovation, the epitome of audio high-fidelity reproduction. Don't worry though, we'll be covering the whole 5000 series, so don't miss out. So make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all of our product highlights. Now, let's dive in. The M-5000 power supply is connected directly to each positive and negative side of the output stage. Completely floating the power amp circuit from the ground removes any undesirable impact of minute voltage fluctuations or ground noise. The design also creates an ideal symmetrical layout for employing MOSFET power amplifiers, improving drivability for low impedance speakers. The C5000 preamplifier with the GT5000 turntable delivers a completely balanced signal chain for premier performance. With a massive toroidal core power transformer, which suppresses any unwanted vibrations. With a rated output power of 100 watts into 8 ohms and 200 watts into 4 ohms. Also with a power bandwidth of 10 Hz to 50 kHz, which is beyond the range of human hearing. The power consumption of this goes from 400 watts to 800 watts maximum. Total harmonic distortion in 2-channel mode is 0.035. Mono-driven is 0.05. The signal-to-noise ratio is 110 decibels. Lastly, the dampening factor is 300 or higher. Alright guys, let's get into the design portion. Let's hit the dimensions. The width is a little over 17 inches, the height is a little over 7 inches, and the depth is a little over 18 inches, with a weight of 59.3 pounds. It has a perfectly symmetrical layout to isolate the right and left channels, both physically and electrically. Its simple design serves to reduce the signal path as much as possible, minimizing energy loss, and achieve lower impedance for a higher fidelity musical performance. The M5000 has been designed from the ground up to maximize rigidity and reducing unwanted vibration for the best sonic performance. Thick wires and screw-tight connections contribute to the low impedance design of the M5000, minimizing energy loss that would typically happen in wire assemblies. The heavy-duty brass feet function as either fully supported spikes or for a scratch guard base for delicate surfaces, featuring large high-performance meters on the front, enabling audiences to visualize the dynamics of the music. Measuring 7mm thick and made of Asahi glass, these quality meters only enhance the exceptionally sophisticated and natural look of the M5000. This has right and left speaker terminals, which utilizes oversized screws for the best secure connection. Cut from a pure brass block, the original Yamaha design has meticulous attention to detail. This has balanced XLR connections and also unbalanced RCA connections. For under $10,000, the M5000 is a timeless statement piece for any audiophile's collection. If you want the M5000 for your own, head on over to skybygramophone.com where you can check out securely and fast and have it shipped right to your door. Make sure to come visit us at our showrooms in Timonium, Columbia, Gaithersburg, or at our Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. And guys, if you have any project ideas, need to schedule a service request, or even if you need to talk to one of our hi-fi, home theater, and interior design experts, get inspired at gramophone.com. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and ask at gramophone.com. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, we want to hear from you. What do you think of the Yamaha 5000 series? And what do you want to see from us in the future? Let us know down below. And I'm Ryan, client advisor at Gramophone, and as always, enjoy the music.